This is our last week of class, and this is Module 14. We've talked a little bit about data privacy and cybersecurity as our last little topic. It will go on your, the activity will go on your website under the cybersecurity page, and the final screencast will go under your evaluation page, and that is your final exam. I did not split it into two different assignments. Your final screencast is your final exam, but I'm including it all in this Module 14 lesson. Okay, so very quickly, the data privacy is pretty easy. There are two laws. It's worth 80 points, and that are important in schools when it comes to data privacy: the Family Education Rights and Privacy Act and the Children's Online Privacy Protection. As you know, these are very, very important topics and very serious if someone breaks them. So watch this minute and review this article about parents' right. Then go to your website, Must Know, Data Privacy and Cybersecurity. Create a placeholder on your website. Instead, do right here, this is what you want. You want to have two blocks. And use the template with two pictures. Under one picture placeholder, you can put the title, Family Education Rights and Privacy Act. Define the law in 2 sentences. What must schools do to comply with the law? What parents have to do under the law, and include a picture that represents the law. Next, do the same thing with the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act for 40 points. Publish your website and add it to Moodle. So that one's very straightforward and easy, won't take you long. The screencast should not take you long to do. If you have up to date on having all of your assignments, and I'm still working on the digital stories all of the assignments finished, and then what you will do is you'll make sure everything is on your website. Everything. Then you're going to narrate using ScreenPal, which I've given you a tutorial on. That's what I'm using right now. And you will narrate your website. And what I'm looking for there is for you to reflect. What did you like? What do you think you'll use again? I know some of you aren't education majors, but like, for example, ScreenPal, the screencast assignment is really, really a good one that you can use in the future. All right. Next, the last thing is you're going to fill out the Google form submitting your final website. It's worth 50 points, and you must screenshot that you did it. So screenshot that you did it. So that's pretty straightforward.